Recipe and another day. Good morning, everyone. Before we continue our cooking, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell right there so that you will be notified every time I will post a new video. Now, what we are cooking today is this one is mung beans or bean sprout. Alright, I will show you the ingredients of our mung bean soup or bean sprout soup. Okay, there you go. The ingredients of our bean sprout soup or mung bean soup is bean sprout or mung beans. We will put a little bit spinach, onions, red bell pepper, and Ligo sardines from the Philippines. Alright, but before we start our cooking, we have to wash first our mung beans. And I will show you how to wash our mung beans. There you go, let's come to the sink. Here is our mung beans. And I put in a strainer so all the dirt, whatever residue from the mung beans or bean sprout will come out. See, there's a lot of stuff, a black thing from the bean sprout coming out from the hole of the strainer. It's ready to move to our big plates right there. It's easy, just put like that, and flip it. There you go. So I'm like an expert. Here is our bean sprout or mung beans. Now let's go to our stove. Now in our frying pan, we have our frying pan in here. We will heat our stove and we will put a little bit oil to mix our all spices. Okay, let's wait when this frying pan will be warm. Now it's hot. It's time to put our spray oil. A little bit, just to cook our spice. And let's take our ladle and put our onions. No garlic, just an onion. Now, put our red bell pepper. Stir it. And now, the next one that we will put is our Ligo sardines. I open it already. There you go. And let's stir it. And now, let's get the water to put in here in our frying pan. If you like a lot of water, then this is 3 cups of water. If you like more water, then you add more water. Me, I like a lot of water for my soup. Now, let's wait when this will be boiling. Then we will add our other ingredients. Let's cover it. Here is boiling. Time for us to put our mung beans or bean sprout. By the way, I wash my hands. Now go. We put this slowly, little by little, so our frying pan won't be shocked. Cover it and we'll come back after 2 minutes. Now it's boiling. Let's add a salt to taste. Like 1 teaspoon of salt. It's time to add our spinach. A little bit of spinach. So our soup will be nice looking. Wow. And there you go. Our mung bean soup is done. But before that, before we end our video, we have to test our mung bean soup. Tasting time. This is the mung beans. Super sarap. Or bean sprout. Super tasty. Alright, thank you all guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!